Hi. Today I'm going to just speak about my overall performance in the PTE exam, and that was as a result of my efforts along with the faculty in Super Achievers Institute located at Sonar Road. So, just to begin with, I would just like to tell about my score. So, overall, my PT is 83, with having listening at 80, reading at 80, speaking 90, writing 82. So, effectively, that brings out to a band 8 if you compare it with IELTS. So, now moving on to the main other part. See, it's a very wonderful experience, I would say, at the end of the day, and I can say that I really made the right choice of coming over to Super Achievers and got an opportunity to work and study from Shobit sir, which definitely has helped me out a lot. Just a quick thing that I would like to share is that you'll find n number of institutes located here and there in Gurgaon. However, before selecting institute, what I really found is it's important that someone is there to guide you throughout and who take the pains to help you out with your weak areas. So I joined this institute, but prior to that, I had done a lot of research, and finally, I zeroed it in at Super Achievers, and that's really wonderful. And coming on to the other part of it, like Shobit sir, so I would definitely like to highlight that he is one person who can gauge your capabilities very fast, because over during the course of my preparation, it was a situation like that at times I used to lose some confidence and some faith about scoring good, but he had that confidence and he used to logically tell me that, see, your listening is good or your weak area is writing. So I could really relate myself in a very better manner as to why is he saying so. And if I say that the poster that you see over there which says helpline, the word helpline is really the right word. Come over here and get a fantastic score. So all the very best, I would say, to each one of you, and thank you once again, Shobit sir, for mentoring me as well as coaching me. And I would heartily recommend this institute to everyone who inspires to score the maximum 90 out of 90 in PT Academy. Thank you.